Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Tuesday. It's the 18th day in the month of November 2025, and it looks like the Northeast will have dry conditions, but the winds continue across New England. Strong northwesterly winds and westerly winds over the last couple of days have made it quite tough across the mid-Atlantic and Northeast. What a real chill into the air. Now we have a little bit of a change, the big surge of high pressure that actually extends from western Canada across through Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba continues to drift down towards the Great Lakes, but is being pressed a little bit further north by an area of low pressure that had its origins over the west coast, now heading to the east, but it looks like it's diminishing, staying a little bit further south, so it looks like more rainy weather for Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia, the Virginias, of course, and also the Carolinas, probably in the northern portion of the state. Dry weather across South Florida, coastal Texas, and Louisiana, and also that rain finally moving on out of South California into the Four Corners region during the later afternoon today and tonight. Still another area of some rain moving into the Pacific Northwest, but hopefully some high pressure that cause a little bit of dry weather there for about a 24 to 36 hour period. But weather forecast for today, generally fair conditions for New York and further north, increasing clouds for areas south where there could be some rain. Rain mainly across Maryland, West Virginia, and Northern Virginia and D.C., southwestern Pennsylvania also could have some showers during the daytime today, but to the north and northeast, just a lot of increasing clouds as temperatures range only between 45 and 50. Now, that could cause a little bit of ice in some places, especially across the Poconos, Catskills, and Finger Lakes during the overnight tonight if it just touches into there, because skies will clear and temperatures will drop down to the freezing mark. And that's with a wet surface and light winds, causes black ice to form right around daybreak. And that's something we'll be watching for on Wednesday morning. But as we head towards the middle portion of the week, it does look like fair conditions for Wednesday afternoon into early Thursday, with another series of low pressures working their way out of the west coast, getting to the east. And that, of course, will result in the possibility of some rain here on Friday or into the early portion of the weekend. It does look like it clears up Saturday afternoon and Sunday. So if you're flying today, it does look like generally dry conditions in Newark, but also looking at possibility of some rain in Philadelphia, Baltimore, and D.C., fair conditions up in Boston, but still windy up there. Okay weather in Charlotte, and no problems in Atlanta. Central and South Florida looking dry, and as mentioned, Texas good. Looks like rainy conditions in Chicago, West Coast. Still rain in San Diego and L.A., but some drier weather for San Francisco for a day. More showers in Portland and Seattle. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Wednesday. See you then.